Exclusively from Louisville Ladder is an impact absorption system which prolongs the life of the ladder, making it more resistant to abuse and mishandling. The Shocks system allows for full rail inspection, aids in preventing damage to the bottom step, and still allows for shoe boot replacement. It's side impact and damage resistant. The brace is independent from the shoe, and a smaller opening means less hazard for tripping. The two-piece design also allows for material to pass through the brace. Shocks, cutting-edge impact absorption, available on most Type 1A and 1AA fiberglass step, twin front, and platform ladders from Louisville Ladder.
Hi, this is Kenyon here to demonstrate the Velocity by Little Giant Ladder Systems. You'll notice that there are really only two things that you'll need to remember to make this ladder operate. The hinge creates the shape of the ladder. Squeeze that in with the palm of the hand. I like to grip the hinge plates with my fingertips. Just gives me a little bit of extra leverage. One on the right, one on the left. Now the hinge is unlocked. I can either bring this to its storage position or open it up as an A-frame, or again, open it up as an extension ladder. And then you'll see and hear making sure that those hinges are fully locked into place. The only other operation are the rock locks. The rock locks are gonna create the length or the height of the ladder. Unlocking these by pressure down at the bottom of the rock lock now allows you to bring this ladder to different heights. You can bring that to another locked position. Notice that to unlock, even pressure down here at the bottom. To relock, even pressure up here towards the top. Again, make sure that these rock locks, both the one on the right and the one on the left, that they're fully seated and locked into place. To put this step ladder into different configurations, we're gonna unlock the rock lock to bring it into what's called the 90-degree position. For different sizes of Velocity ladders, the combination of these rungs on this side compared to the rungs on this side might be a little bit different. Always make sure that you're at least 90 degrees or greater. Putting it anything less than that just wouldn't be safe for you to climb on. To put it in what's called the staircase position, we'll do exactly the same thing, whether it's now a ramp, a driveway, staircases. Again, it's just the combination of the 1 foot intervals on this side versus the 1 foot intervals on the opposite side. To bring the ladder into its extension ladder position, we'll do exactly the same thing, just in a different position. Unlock the hinge. Have enough room either inside or outside to lay this ladder down. And now we can extend the legs. Making sure that the rock locks are fully seated. We're going to extend the leg to our desired height. When you're setting your ladder up in the extension ladder position, it's a good idea for you to rest the bottom of the extension ladder against a hard surface. That could be the foundation or the wall that you're leaning the ladder against. That's going to give you the balance and the leverage that you'll need. Also, we'll recommend that you use the wheels will always be at the top of the extension ladder. Hand over hand, always lean the ladder at a 75-degree angle. That's a 4-to-1 ratio, meaning 4 feet vertical means your ladder should be 1 foot away at the bottom. That's a good rule of thumb for safety. That's gonna keep your ladder in the correct position. To bring the ladder down from its extension ladder position, we'll just reverse the steps. Hand over hand, bring it down to the floor or to the ground. Turn the ladder over 180 degrees so you're facing the rungs. And then unlock the rock locks, bringing these rails down to their stored position. To carry your Velocity, we're simply gonna put our shoulder down underneath the rung, lifting with our other hand. That's a great way for you to carry without straining your back or your legs. If you want to take advantage of these wheels in its stored position, we could lean the ladder back and away you go. Of course, a couple of quick reminders. Always choose the right ladder for the job, set it up correctly, and maintain 3 points of contact when you're working from the ladder and climbing the ladder. This is the Velocity by Little Giant Ladder Systems.
The FS 1500 series stepladder from Louisville Ladder is a non-conductive fiberglass stepladder for everyday use by contractors and industrial users. It has a Type 1A extra heavy duty rating capable of supporting 300 pounds and is available in lengths from 2 to 12 feet. If you need a higher load capacity, there's the FS 1400 HD Brute series with a 375 pound duty rating and added overall support. These ladders are equipped with the strong and durable Pro Top, which promotes productivity and efficiency from the user, keeping tools close at hand. This Pro Top features a non-conductive structural molded top with hardware tray, a paint can holder, handyman's tool slots, pipe holder groove, and a convenient magnet to secure small steel parts. A curved front of the top provides leg comfort. Wide, vertically mounted U-shaped back braces spaced on 1-foot intervals provides maximum stiffness and discourages unsafe climbing. The non-conductive full-channel fiberglass rails are tough and durable. Each step is secured with 6 large-headed semi-tubular steel rivets for maximum strength. This double rivet step construction makes for 30% greater shear strength than solid aluminum rivets. Placing the spreader braces inside the fiberglass rails helps protect braces from getting hooked or abused in transit. The reinforced heavy-duty bottom back brace provides additional strength to the bottom of the ladder. The Shocks impact absorption system increases the life of the ladder, protecting from common damage caused by drops. These ladders are equipped with DeBoot for slip-resistant footing and meet all security requirements from ANSI, OSHA, and CSA. The FS 1500 series fiberglass stepladder with Pro Top from Louisville.
Hi, I'm Mel with Little Giant Ladders, here to show you one of our newest ladders called Velocity. Starts off just a little over 4 foot 7 inches tall, but if you need a 5 foot, 6 foot, or a 7 foot high step ladder, it's as simple as rotating it straight open like this. Now, if you want to work on ground that's not level, whether that's ramps, sloping ground, or staircases, you literally can take this ladder right up the stairs with you as you go. Now, the one I use the most around my home, when you want to get close to a window or wall, normal ladders, the higher you go up, the further from the wall or window you get. But watch this. We're going to drop this down to a 90-degree angle. Get right next to that tight corner. It's much easier to work in those tight spots. Now, when you need to get up a little bit higher, just rotate this straight open. And now you have what's equivalent to a 17-foot lean-to extension ladder. Now that's 15 feet tip to tip, but you can reach 17 when you're working on it. It has the wide flares at the top and at the bottom. Plus, we use rubber feet instead of plastic. Remember, rubber grips, plastic slips. Bring it back down. You're going to store this, again, just a little over 4 feet 7 inches tall. But one of the great things about the Velocity, you'll notice at the bottom, it has wheels. So you'll never have to carry a ladder again. Just wheel it from place to place. That right there is the easiest you'll ever carry a 17-foot ladder inside of a house without knocking paint off the walls. We do make the Velocity in a 13-foot, which is 3 foot 7, the Model 17, which is a 4 foot 7, and 1 foot taller, the Model 22. Velocity, great ladder, great addition to your home, and all the tools that you use around it.